guys, what is up? You can see we are not in North Carolina anymore, and it is cold. We left North Carolina yesterday afternoon, and it's about 68 degrees this morning up here in Easton, Maryland, doing a snow goose hunt. And it is about 28 degrees, wind chill 23, and it's got the flags stretched out. So we're excited. They killed 41 yesterday, and we're hoping they do it again today. So hang with us, we'll go bang them up. Coming back. Down and reload! Down and reload! Good shooting, boys!
that first open there and hung on there.
That's GoPro's on.
I was getting ready to say things when they just
I confirmed the GoPro was on. Had to go ditching a pit blind out here. There's a cripple that went way down, so I ran and got it. Beautiful mature bird. But now, because I'm so far away from the blind, or the spread rather, I've had to ditch out in this blind, and there's a lot of birds working right now. I'm just gonna hang out in here, watch the show. I don't know if you can see these. I don't know if you can see all these birds with the sun, but there is a pile of them. Wore them out. I can get out now. And maybe we're overcomplicating it. Just sit up and talk and leave the thing on. Morning. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Take a look at the spread here real quick. Ended up being 2,500 stocks, some about 2 or 3 dozen full bodies. So a lot of decoys, a lot of weight. And that was fun. 41 birds. 1 o'clock right now. It's been pretty slow the last 2 hours, but we had about 10,000 geese just across the hill. We were trying to wait out to see if they would get up and leave, but they did not. So we've been done for a little while now. Just went and grabbed the trucks. I'm about to go pick up this rig out here and get out of here. But that was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed that video. Barneck Outfitters is who we're hunting with up here. I'll put a link to their website in the description below. So definitely check them out. They do sea ducks, diver ducks, snow geese. So check them out, man. First class, put out a big spread, made sure they put 100% into the hunt, and we've really enjoyed it. So check them out, and I hope you enjoyed it.